Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you know that Samsung rolled out a huge new upgrade on HomeUp plugin in One UI 9, and Samsung has added amazing new features like the dog background, the gestures. I have already shown you that, right? I just noticed they have added two amazing new features in HomeUp dice section also. So guys, if you don't know about DIY in HomeUp, so it's a very powerful feature in HomeUp plugin. Using that feature, you can customize your home screen like completely. You can do anything with your home screen. For example, you can see this screenshot, what you can do with your home screen. And obviously, I will show you that two new features which they have added in dice section. Here you can see I have this Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8.5. This has the older HomeUp plugin. And this is my Samsung Galaxy S26 which runs on One UI 9 beta, and this has the upgraded HomeUp plugin which all the new feature has been added. Now if I tap on this home screen on both the side, and here you will find this option called DIY home screen, and if I enable this, and again if I enable this, now if I go back to home screen, now if I press here and if I tap on this DIY, both look identical, right? But if I select all the apps and widgets one by one in both for One UI 8 and One UI 9, let me select all the what we call apps and widgets. Now here you will see a newly added option. This is the newly added option in One UI 9, and here you can see there is no such kind of option. Now what you can do, if you tap over here, and it will now automatically adjust your icons and widget. Let me tap over here. Okay, this is not working. This will work, I guess. You can see if I tap over here, it will automatically adjust the size of a icons. Okay, it will, you can see it will give you different kind of what we call layout. Obviously you can move here and there, it's up to you. You can do a lot of things, okay, with this. But yeah, here you will find this newly added option which it will automatically adjust all the icons, and obviously you can resize the icon. You can do a lot of things. So this is newly added in this DIY die section. Like this DIY section is amazing, guys. If you have enough time to customize your phone, you can do a lot of stuff with this. Now if you use DIY feature, you know that you can add a animated sticker on your home screen. In that section also Samsung has added a new feature. Let me show you. If you don't know, let me show you how you can add stickers, animated stickers on your home screen, and you can customize that stickers. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff with that. You can add a app shortcut, etc, etc. If I tap on this sticker over here, for example, if I go in this emoji section, both this part here, and let me add this heart. Okay, let me add the heart. Now after adding the heart emoji, this is the One UI 8.5 older HomeUp. This is the newer one. Okay, if I tap on this heart icon, you will see if I tap on this icon, you can give the animations. There are some animations, bouncy animation as you can see, and these are the click animations. This also has the animation, same kind of animations you can see. But the new feature is now you can add routine. If you use a routine feature on Samsung phone, then you can now add a routine on this stickers. Someday I will make a detailed video about this Samsung routine feature. But yes guys, Samsung has now added this routine option also. Here you can see there is no option of routine. This is the older HomeUp and this is the newer. Here you will find this option called routine. So guys, these are the two brand new feature added in DIY section. One is this one. It will auto arrange the icons. Another one is now you can add a routine on this stickers. And guys, if you don't know anything about DIY, let me show you one feature. Through this emoji, you can launch any apps. For example, if I tap on this emoji, if I tap over here, you will see this option called launch apps. Here you will see all the list of apps installed in the, for example, let me select this app, go back. And now if I tap on this heart icon, you can see you can open the open that app. So you can add any emojis like angry, sad, etc, etc, and you can add the app shortcut. Obviously this video is not about showing you all the features of DIY. I was only showing you the two new features added in this DIY section. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, take care, and let me know in the comment, do you use this DIY feature? The name also is very complicated.